Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Mei Lee from the movie Turning Red, and we're going to be drawing her as a red panda. So I haven't seen this movie yet, it's not quite out yet. I think it comes out in March, but I'm really excited to see it. It looks super cute. Before we get started on our drawing, I'm going to remind you folks to feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel a lot and I really appreciate it. Also, I'm going to remind you folks that we have a contest going on right now here at Daily Doodles, and all the information for that will be down below in the description under this video. Okay, so now I have all that said, let's get into our drawing. So I'm going to start drawing our big, giant, cute red panda with 2 circles for the eyes. Now, in those circles, I'm going to do another 2 circles. And now, an even smaller circle in those circles. And guess what? Another circle in those circles, and I'm going to color that one in dark. Okay, I know so far that's been a lot of circles. Now, up top a little ways, we're going to give our red panda 2 little eyebrows. So they're kind of like the shape of like a raindrop, but not falling from the sky. Okay, so now we are going to do the nose. So I'm going to do a funny little shape like this. Like that first. And then in this funny little shape, we're going to do a shape like this. And that's the actual nose. And we're going to do a little circle here for a nostril and another one right there. And then we can do a little line coming down. Now, up top above the eyebrows, we're going to do the top of the head. And we can come on down this way. We're slanting down a little bit. And I know we need ears here, but we're not at the ears yet. And we're slanting down here. And we're coming on out a little bit. We got great big cheeks here. And you can see that I'm kind of doing little strokes here and there. So that's just to show a furry, fluffy texture. See, just little strokes. And here underneath our little nose section, we're gonna do a funny little shape like this, kind of like a banana, sort of. Okay, so this is gonna be the mouth. And I'm gonna do a tooth like that, like a sharp canine tooth. And then a little swipe here, just a little swoop for a tooth in the back behind that one. And then we're going to do a front tooth there. And another one right there. Another tooth right there. One more there. And we're going to give another pointy canine tooth. And then another little swoop. And that's the last tooth we're doing. Now we're going to do a little hill, a little teeny tiny hill, and another teeny tiny hill. And that's the tongue. And eventually we're going to color in the rest of the mouth dark, but we'll do that after. All right, so now we're going to do ears. So we're going to start here and do a triangle shape. But we're kind of making it a little bit textured and fluffy, like that. And we can come on down a little bit here and add a bit more textured fur bits. And over on this side, we're going to do the same thing. So triangle shape and fluffy, furry texture. Like that. So far, I think it's turning out pretty cute. Okay, so Mei Lee has these white cheeks. So I'm doing a bit of fluff here because this whole rest of her is going to be like a reddish orange color, but this part of her cheek is going to be a white. We're going to leave it white. So that's what we got going on here. Okay, now the body. So I'm gonna come on out here from underneath the cheek and we're gonna do a paw on the hip. So we made a weird little shape and we can do a little line right here too. So this almost looks like the letter Y. And over here, we're going to start on the belly. And right here we need the other paw, the other arm on the hip. And right here I'm doing a little curve because that's for the inside of the elbow, or the other side of the elbow. And right here underneath, or right here by the paw, we're gonna continue going down a little bit here. And don't forget to add a little few strokes here and there to help show furry texture. And we can come on down and we're working on feet. So 1, 2, 3 toes. I'm gonna make the feet a little bit wide and we can come on up and do a line right here. And now we need another leg with 1, 2, 3 little toes. Make the foot a little bit wide and come on up. Okay, so far so cute. So we're missing a tail. So coming from here, we're gonna make all kinds of floofy little lines. So we're working our way up with all these little strokes. We're going all the way up. So let's see. A few more little strokes. There's a real fluffy tail. Okay. All right, so now we've got our sketch done and I'm gonna get started on some coloring. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.